All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but today is a very exciting day. I'm sure you guys can tell by the title of the video as to what we'll be discussing. We're talking about none other than Solana. Man, when I say this is crazy, I mean this is absolutely insane. This is something I've been projecting on my channel for about 2 to 3 months, and pretty much during the bear market as well. And literally 2 months ago, when I was talking constantly about meme coins, NFTs on the Solana blockchain, the Solana native tokens, if you're looking at the broader market and the broader influence world, barely anyone was focusing on Solana, and I know a lot of people can vouch for me on that. And what we have seen happen is something exactly what I spoke about, that we're going to see the meme coin market heat up huge, as well as we're going to see the native tokens as well as the NFT marketplace absolutely pop off. And in the last 1 month, what has happened with the Solana's ecosystem is literally mind-boggling, to say the least. So we got a lot of things to talk about once again, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So if we're looking at the market today, majority of the market is in green, and you can see a lot of Solana based coins are up a lot. So we've seen Bonk make its way in the top 100 coins. Again, not a surprise, up 30.4%. We're seeing Pyth up 13.2%. We're seeing Solana up 13.2%. You guys get the idea as to what really is happening for the Solana ecosystem. So let's take a look at the price and see what is happening, and then we will get into some developments. So you guys can see this for yourself. Solana has officially gone above $70, currently sitting at $71.72. Up 14% over the past 24 hours in USD, and Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Look at the market cap, guys. We're sitting above $30 billion market cap for Solana. Let's put that into perspective. This is huge. Just a few months back, let's go look at it just on the monthly time frame. Sol is up 61.9%, and on the yearly time frame it's up 426%, guys. We're talking pretty much in November's time. We'll talk about that in the charts, but this is insane. And we're talking about a big cap coin as well. What we're seeing with the Solana ecosystem is something no one saw coming. And all of a sudden, we're seeing people loving Solana. People are saying this is like literally the best. They've been accumulating from the beginning. Like, come on, are you serious? Like, let's be honest at this point. People are just hopping on the bandwagon, but insane. And look at the 24-hour trading volume of $4.1 billion. Absolutely insane. So the 24-hour trading volume has almost doubled compared to yesterday. And look at the Solana NFT marketplace, guys. You can't make these things up because we're seeing the Solana NFT marketplace absolutely sending right now. Look at OK Bears. It's down a bit, but it's still at 20.1 Sol. Bonks up 105% over the past 24 hours. Mad Lads 223 Sol. Quicks 50 Sol. Chads 12.68 Sols. And let's put that into perspective. Let's just not talk about that. Let's actually put that into perspective. So if you're looking at Mad Lads, one Mad Lads runs you 16,000 USD. 16,000 USD, which was just literally 14 days back. Let's go 14 days back. You could see this for yourself. It was only at 90 Solana per Mad Lads NFT. You can see this massive gain, and especially if you go to the last 30 days, this is where you will feel left out. You guys can see 45 Sol per Mad Lads, and let me tell you, I'm one of the people that missed out on Mad Lads. Let's be honest, okay? So a lot of other developments going on. You guys can see this for yourself. Of course, Bonk has taken over the likes of, you can see this for yourself, guys. Frax, Ether, Sui. We've seen Bonk take over, Pepe. History is being made, and Bonk has officially claimed itself as the biggest meme coin on the Solana blockchain, as well as you can see Solana 24 NFT sales volume breaks 11 million, and you guys can see Ether is at 16 million, and it's climbing not too far away from Ethereum sales. And again, are we surprised at this point? I'm not. So Also, another huge thing is, remember I've mentioned this to you guys in the previous update, Jito, also one of the Solana based projects, did a massive airdrop, and all you had to do basically to get qualified for this airdrop was to hold about, you could say, $30 to $40 SOL on their platform, and you'd qualify. I missed out on this one. I didn't really have information regarding this, so I did miss out on that one, but I hit big on Jupe, and I'm looking forward for Jupe listing, because this changes everything. The fact that Jito is at a staggering $3, some people got 10,000 tokens just by, contributing $70 onto the platform of Jito, and, just purchasing, that Jito SOL. And, they qualified for 10,000 coins, which is equivalent to $30,000. And of course, if you had multiple wallets, you're already retired at this point. And this is insane. The circulation supply is still quite low, which can help this push to $1 billion mark, because again, $1 billion market cap is always that psychological point. And with the momentum it has, it's insane. I would not be surprised if this actually does end up getting listed if it ends up getting to that point, that $1 billion market cap, which would be a $10, Jito at the $1 billion market cap. But remember, I don't really know too much about the tokenomics as of now. Maybe there is massive unlocks coming, so it could be, inflationary, so we need to keep those factors in mind. But right now, the times we're in, the ecosystem hype factor, this can drive the prices more towards the upside. We've seen Uniswap last time. You guys remember what happened with Uniswap, and this is where Jupiter Exchange airdrops come into play. I think Jupiter Exchange is really going to compete with Uniswap, and I think that exchange, in my personal opinion, could pull numbers what Uniswap did at the peak of the market. But basically my main reason to share Jito is that some people made thousands of dollars today. Some people made yearly salaries what people make around the world in literally a single day, and this is what crypto is here for. It's literally wealth changer at this point. So huge congrats to anyone that did get on Geo. But now let's take a look at the price of SOL. So of course we are into a new yearly high. This is insane, absolutely insane. And again, we were talking about this. We were talking about this day coming, and it has officially come. And we did see the price go up to the $72.86. We do have resistance around here, but my main target for Solana right now, guys, is at the $77.57. That's the main resistance, in my opinion. That's where the price of Solana is really heading. That's a move of about another 10%. We might see a little bit of a rejection at that point, but I see Sol getting to that spot, and it's really starting to give us the early Ethereum beginnings, because now we're seeing the ecosystem actually exploding. And of course, we're seeing a lot of people flocking from other chains into Solana, because of course they feel like they're going to miss out, and that's going to drive not just the price of Sol more towards the upside, but also the ecosystem. So absolutely insane day, outpacing Bitcoin as well, outpacing majority of the market. What a time to be alive if you're holding Sol. So once again, you give yourself a pat on the back. I think this could be the start to see the price of Solana actually start heading towards a 3-digit SOL. If that happens before the year comes to an end, guys, that's the biggest gift that you could ask for, in my opinion. $100 Solana before the year comes to an end would be literally mind-boggling. And if we put that into perspective, that's a 43% move from the current price level. So we're going to take it one step at a time. Let me know down below what you guys think. And did you guys miss out on the Solana's ecosystem, or were you accumulating when no one was talking about Sol at this price? And speaking about that price, guys, let's take a look at that. Once we broke out of that resistance, you guys remember, at $26.78, Sol made its way up another additional 170%, which is absolutely, mind-boggling. But that is it for today's update. Thank you to each and every one of you guys in the Solana community for showing tremendous amount of support. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.